How to enable call recording for incoming calls on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro phone or the Note 14 if you have the Chinese ROM model version. When you're ready to turn this on, you want to make sure you're using the default dialer app that your Chinese ROM Redmi Note phone came with, which is this one right here. And once you go into it, it should look something like this here, and that's how you know you have the right dialer app. So from here, you'll go to the settings at the top, and then you'll see to the second option here, call recording. Once you go into it, you'll see these two options here. And you want to turn on the one that says record calls automatically. So as you turn that on, that's going to start recording any calls you have coming in, and it's going to save it into your device storage. So that's going to use up your storage. Now, if you don't want it to record all the calls, you just want to record a specific number, you want to go to where it says selected numbers right here. And by having this option set here, you can either have it choose to record unknown numbers or go to the custom list area here. And once in the custom list area here, you'll go to add numbers, and you can go ahead and type in a number from the contact section here. If you had, you'll be able to choose from here, and then that's going to allow you to choose a number. I don't have a SIM card here or anything in there, but that's where you would go to add a number from here, okay, or anything else. But if you wanted to record all, you go with all the numbers, and it's up to you to make that decision. And if you wanted to stop recording calls, simply just turn it off and you're good to go. Like and sub.